What is up, my driven entrepreneurs? Today we're embarking on a peculiar journey, one that intertwines the mystical with entrepreneur hip. Buckle up because we're diving deep into the enigmatic forests of Colorado where Bigfoot, was allegedly spotted by a couple during their train ride. Now, I don't care whether you're a believer of the ever exclusive creature or you're a staunch skeptic. There is something undeniably captivating about mysteries, wouldn't you say? The Parkers, amidst their elk spotting adventure, stumbled upon a moment that has us all raising an eyebrow and staring at wonder, or perhaps in skepticism. But let me pivot for a second, shall we? Entrepreneurs, my savvy friends, aren't we all on our way to chasing our own Bigfoot? Yeah, whether it's an innovative product, unique marketing strategy, or some niche that's scarcely been explored, we're all on the train with our binoculars in hand and we're seeking out our own elusive creatures in our business wilderness. So here's a nugget for your Thursday vibe, dear Nitzians. I want you to embrace the chase. I want you to cherish the unexpected. And when you spot your Bigfoot, right, you get out there, don't be afraid to shout it from the mountaintops. Because whether it's mythical creatures or groundbreaking business ideas, it's the bold belief in the unseen that often leads to not only viral stories, but revolutionary discoveries. So get out there and share your Bigfoot business dreams with me right down below. Go ahead and drop them and keep believing in the beautifully unexpected together. Until next time, keep your eyes wide open, keep your spirits super high, and keep your binoculars at the ready.